getting ready for a snowstorm, yo. Got back from the store a little while ago. I have some cheese dip on the mini crock pot that I'm making. I don't know. Just always feeling tired. Ooh, I don't look forward to all the ice and stuff we're supposed to be getting. So, I'm supposed to start tonight while I'm at work. Oh, I did earlier, I re-bleached my roots. Now I gotta like tone it. Try to get it less brassy. I don't know. There's still parts that look kind of dark too. My hair's stubborn, y'all. Sleet and freezing rain. Thus far. My flesh was like, but yeah, you can see you got little ice droplets all over the window. There's ice and sleet in the parking lot. And this is just the start of our winter storm fun. Can you see the sleet? Dang. My phone does not want to focus. Hello, sir. There you go. I was trying to catch like the sleet blowing in the parking lot lights. It's blowing. The car has been going for like 25 minutes. Why? I'm still a popsicle. I mean, at least it's warm-ish in here. But yeah. Can't drive if I can't see. Into the precarious situation. I don't even want to fuck with these fucking, like, I'm gonna have to turn hella slow because my tires are even ice. I got home somewhat safely. Look at all the snow. It's been a couple more hours. Look at the snow, the snow. Cold and snowy outside. I'm making potato soup. Figure that's a good cold as fuck weather food. Look at your baby. More snow is coming down, motherfucker. It's fucking cold. Ooh. It's cold. This boy. You've been such a butthead. When she saw Mom had barbecue chips. Yeah, you just saw his eye there, didn't ya? You try to look innocent, but you a guilty little shit. I know why you're up here. He didn't want to leave me alone. I kept putting him down, and he's all full of static, and I just set him on the ground. No, come back up here, little baby. And the girls leave me alone, but no, because the boyfriend gives him popcorn and chips, so he thinks if mommy has a chip, that he gets a chip. But that's not how this relationship works. Nope. You want a kiss? What are you looking at, son? What are you looking at? His heart's beating. I confess, he's about ready to Do something. Won't be doing something. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, you all mess with that. Pickle sees the snow. Well, you're cute. He's like, barbecue finger. Your chin fleef's so soft. Let's see. 5 p.m. There's still some flurries right now. Well, I guess it's a little more than flurries. Or if you concentrate on the dark side. But, yeah. I got a few inches so far. So, we're on the drive to work. You probably can't see too much except for all the ice that's still on my window because it just won't fucking come off. But I should be at work on time. I'm being careful. There's some rules for driving in this shit when it's in my van. I've learned the hard way how easily my car will get stuck. Like if I were to go into that bit of snow over there and stopped, good luck. My car may not get out. And I do, the rules are don't fully stop if you can help it. If you have to stop as slowly as possible. And this light's gonna change for me. Ooh. And if you're stopping and going, go as slow as possible, especially on a turn. As God forbid my van will spaz out otherwise. But yeah, I'm almost at work, so doing okay. And then, they can only do so much with these roads. They've tried to plow stuff, and they've got it down to about half an inch ice and half an inch of snow on the road, or at least the main cut through. Because what are lanes whenever you can barely see a lane, right? The rules of the road don't really apply anymore to a certain point. It's just more like, hey, dumb fuck, get from point A to point B and don't hit anybody to the best of your ability. So yeah, I'm almost at work. This is me just rambling about shitty weather. Oh yay, more snow. More snow. It's cold out. Working alone because my coworker can't get in. But yeah, so doing some jewelry. Since I'm a loner today, that camera, snow. Still coming down. Still coming down, and I got an hour left before I leave. So one of my morning coworkers called out. Go figure. She's like, oh, my car's frozen. I can't open it. It's like, you don't have any de-icer? But Lord knows she's not a resourceful person, so whatever. It's not like my car wasn't frozen shut and my boyfriend's. You just have to spray the hell out of it with de-icer. But we also live closer, so it's whatever. Of course, the other lady, she doesn't get here. She's almost always late. She's our new, like, captain, but it is what it is. I guess I'm gonna stay an extra 4 hours because I know I need the OT. I don't know why I'm making weird faces. It's partially because I need to do other stuff too. But, I mean, I also need money, so. Still snowing. Let's do this. Come on, Gate. I don't want to fully stop. Thank you. Because my car is already struggling. Stop signs. We don't know her. Making sure this truck wasn't going to go. He's just chilling over there. I can't even tell where the fucking road is, honestly. Let's be real. I wish I did this shit. Yes, that's a little better. We're pumping the brakes because I got a red light. This truck thought I was gonna go. He was a polite man. And let's see. This is what we're looking at. All this ish. I don't wanna like go before the light turns, you know? It's just like so the turn I usually go on was blocked by 2 cars that were stuck in the snow. So I had to, luckily I have an alternative that isn't too far off. So that's what I'm doing now. And if there's nobody at this fucking stop sign, I ain't stopping. Fuck that. Back home. I've been 12 hours. It's February 3rd. I think because of the weather, we probably won't be getting our mail again. So much for my packages. Hey there, little boy. Hey there, little boy. Hey, little boy. And the dog. My Angie girl. Not right now, but yeah, babies. What are you meowing at? Sniff, 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 sniff. What do I smell like, Doogie? Huh? Do I smell like outside? What'd you see, Pickle? Did you see a burb? You don't trust me. You don't want to go out in that. That's the cold ick. You don't want that. You don't want that. You scratch in your cardboard. Yeah. She's like, you're home, Mom. It's time for the wet food. I said, I don't know. Hey, son, you have a scratch pad. Welcome to my van getting stuck in the snow. I really do appreciate the help. kind of fell in the snow getting out of my car. So, let's see, I got back from work. What are you doing, son? A freaking cat back here. It took me a while to shake off that cold from falling in the snow earlier. I've just been drinking my coffee, trying to get motivated. I have a lot of shit I need to do. And I go back to work for a few hours later tonight to help cover some time. I said I'd be back in at 6 and work 6 to 10. So, and then I pretty much work until we leave Tuesday. So, a lot of shit I need to do. This is how I feel. Snow boots on. I'm about to take care of some errands. Hopefully I can... My feet feel cold on these, but... like, my feet have just been cold because it's cold outside. And maybe I should have doubled my socks up. I don't know. Shit's deep, yo. That's what the snow boots are for. That's annoying. No. You sleepy girl. You sleepy girl. She keeps like starting to nod over here. Being all cute. You cute girl. You're so soft too. She's your baby. Miss is 8 years old now. Yeah. That's my old girl. Your fur is so soft, kitty. So soft and silky. It's my spoiled girl. What are you thumping? What's up, Will? The baby.
I just don't fool people.
Get your eye boogie. You little crusty boy. Yeah. Oh, you're warm. Oh. Pickle. And Doogie. Hey, y'all. It's the 5th of February. I worked until 10 to cover shift. Now the babies want to help me pack. I'm packing for our trip. Look at the babies. They're sitting right on one of my bags I need to use. Oh, Will, do you want to come with us? You can meet Brayden's mom. Pickles is actually respectfully sitting off my stuff. Will's just like, oh, you have a bag? Let me lay on top of it, mother. You're not going anywhere, mother. It's okay. I'm gonna talk to my stepdad about making sure you guys get a can of wet food and all that. Your auto feeder will feed y'all. And I'm gonna set up my little pet camera so I can check in on y'all. Yeah, I gotta make a extra key. And I gotta, I'm gonna try and do that tomorrow, actually. Make an extra key, and I gotta talk to my stepdad. I'll make a deal with him because he works near my apartment, so he can check in on them and scoop the boxes and give them a can of wet food because they want their daily wet food. And then they have their auto feeder for their dry food over there, and their water fountain. Which I will also have them top up the water fountain too. Because it needs to be topped up like every 2 to 3 days with all 3 of them. So. Kids. Y'all crazy. It's been a long time since I've been in this Goodwill outlet. We're on a search for a cheap bike for the old fiance. They actually fixed this fucking road. Holy shit. This road used to be fucking awful. Sorry, I am shocked because this road was the worst fucking road I've ever had to drive on. And that is facts. Did they just open? Holy shit. I'm not used to that. But yeah, that road, man. That Market Street, St. Louis. Wow, I don't know what my phone did there. That Market Street, St. Louis, man. That road was fucking dog shit forever. Like, you would tear your fucking tires up just trying to drive on that road. I am so shocked. And it was like that all the way down. And they actually finally fixed it. Oh man, years and years and years. I guess COVID was a good opportunity for them to finally fix that damn road. Maybe they're just about to open. That's crazy. I guess it is Sunday. That's like 2. No. So, I didn't realize they actually are closed until 3 p.m. Which is fucking weird. They apparently close 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. now. So that's annoying. It's like 2:13. I don't want to sit here and wait all day. I guess I'll see if there's any other thrift stores around here until this Goodwill outlet opens. I have to work at 6, so, like, all I really wanted to do is check to see if they had any bikes here. But, bleh. I'm aggravated. So, looking through the list of thrift stores that aren't just, like, clothing resale shops. Most of them are closed because it's Sunday, which I should have figured. Because most of them are ran by churches. There's the Salvation Army, which is the closest. That's closed. Though I don't like the Salvation Army. They're always, like, overpriced. And it's like, goddamn. Greedy butts. You're supposed to be helping people, and you're, like, upcharging the shit out of things. At least that's been my experience with this one down in the city. St. Vincent de Paul, which I usually like because they're usually cheaper. Closed, obviously. Like, most of these church-run ones are closed on Sunday. I mean, obviously. There's a bunch of little, like, clothing resale shops, but obviously that's not what I'm looking for. And then there's, like, Goodwills are, like, 6 miles away, but 6 miles away in the city is a pain in the butt. So I'm just thinking about, like, getting some lunch and coming back. Yep. I just noticed these motherfuckers did not put cheese on my fucking Raleigh burger after already being overcharged for shit. That's why I hate the St. Louis Rallies. I really do. They're like my least favorite one. They always fuck shit up. And then you can't get nothing from them. Because nobody wants to do anything. They don't even want to change the price to the right price. this was supposed to be 2 for $4 with my chicken sandwich. And they just let it ring it up like I bought them individually. And then the motherfucker don't put cheese. I don't think I've ever eaten a burger without cheese since I've been a child. Now I'm fucking hungry and I'm begrudgingly eating this. Only because they actually put my extra pickles on. That's fuck shit. And so, they get the no onions and no tomato, but then they don't put my fucking cheese on my burger. Can't with these bitches. My total should have been like 436 or something, not 524. And you didn't put cheese on my burger. I tried to tell the guy, I said, hey, those are supposed to be 2 for $4. He's like, well, it came up $4.78. He's like, and then there's tax. I'm like, yeah, no, it's supposed to be 2 for $4. And then he's trying to pass, oh, it's $4.78. I'm like, oh, but you said $5.24. Well, yeah, it was $5.24 because he wouldn't fucking change it. I can't even argue with these knuckleheads. It's like not even worth my fucking time. I try to avoid ever going there, but it was like literally one of the cheapest things around here. And the only other thing, there's like a Crazy Bowls and Wraps, but that would be like a minimum of like 12 or 13 bucks, which I'm not trying to spend right now. And I think there's a Cane's somewhere, which I hate. Raising Cane's is overrated, sorry. Their fucking sauce sucks. It tastes like garbage, like chemical salty garbage. Their chicken is bland as fuck. Fight me. Fucking hate Raising Cane's. I was at a job where people kept overhyping the fuck out of it. And we got it one day. It was such overpriced crap. I can make better chicken at home. Fuck. Popeyes has better chicken and doesn't even cost as much as Raising Cane's. Can't. Not worth time or money. Oh, so we had a success. This bike back here, it's not too bad. I gotta air up the tires, make sure the inner tubes are good. Brakes seem to be fine. Maybe the chain might need a little oil. I mean, that's typical. It looks good though. $10. There was another bike I was looking at that was 20. It was a Huffy, but it looked a lot rougher to me. The seat might be like slightly torn on that, but it can be patched. The seats honestly was a lot more comfortable than the one on the Huffy. So, yay! Hey guys, it's 7th and I'm doing a day refresh here. I'm gonna put this cap on because I got errands and a bunch of shit I need to take care of before I work tonight. Because we are leaving tomorrow for Miami. Yes, I hear you, baby. Why is he cute? You in my oldie bag? Guys, I'm trying to finish everything. Oh my god. These things take longer than you think they should. Trying to do all this packing. I got most of it down. Still work in progress. Still a few bags down in here. Ugh. And I haven't slept yet. There's a lot of shit in this car. We're packed to the fucking brim.